Today I want to show you guys how to create beachy waves using any kind of curling iron. So with this technique, you can use any kind of curling iron. It could be short, it could be big sized, it could be 1.5 inch, it could be 0.75 inch. It's just a technique that I'm going to use, but you can use it with any type of curling iron. Alright, so I'm going to do this slowly for you guys. So I'm going to grab a section and having the clip underneath because I'm going away from my face for the curls. If you want to go towards your face, the clip is going to be on top because it's going towards your face. Because it's going towards your face and you never want to counteract the clip. Alright, so clip underneath. I'm going to clamp it like halfway, very gently, and then wrap it. My thumb is on the clip. I'm going to let go just a little bit and bring it down. And hold it there for 5 to 10 seconds, depending how low your iron is. And then using my pointer finger, I'm gonna bring the clip open and kind of bring the hair down and wrap it around again. So this is where the technique comes in. I'm gonna take the iron and unwind underneath, make sure the hair is still in there, bring it around once. You see that? It's giving a twist. Give it another twist the same way, once. And then very gently open up the clip and drag your hair through. See that? So basically, unwinding once, hold. Unwinding a second time, hold. Open up the clip a little bit and drag your hair down the end. That way it'll give it like a nice straighter look towards the bottom. So let me repeat that again. Grab a nice section. Do the same thing. Open the clip up a little bit. Open the clip with your thumb. Close it down or wrap it around. Using the thumb again, I'm gonna grab a little bit more here, open it up, close, and just hold it there. And the reason why I'm opening the clip up a little bit because I don't want my hair dragging in the iron. It just kind of creates a safe place for my hair when the clip is a little bit opened. All right, I'm gonna open it up a little bit more, drag the hair a little bit more. All right, that's good. So keeping the clip closed, so unwind once. See that? Unwind a second time, and very gently glide through the hair. You see that? Look at the curls that it creates. So that's really beautiful. It creates a little bit of a tighter curl. They're very long type of curls, they're very defined. But I just love this technique because you can still use a huge curling iron and you're still gonna get beautiful curls out of it. It's not just gonna be a wave that's just gonna fall out. It's gonna be a beautiful curl. So I wanna show you with the smaller section. You can still do a smaller section if you'd like. So let's do this again. Clip underneath, halfway, close, wrap around. I'm gonna bring it a little bit more down. I am using the clip a lot just to make sure my hair is not dragging through the curling iron. All right, open it up a little bit more, close. And now right here, you have to be careful with the ears. So that's great if your curling iron has a little tip that is not heated. All right, so unwind once, unwind a second time, and just gently drag down with the clip open a little bit. See that? You can do bigger sections, you can do smaller sections, but if you're not comfortable with it just yet, practice with a cold curling iron and make sure you understand how to use the clip with your hand. For my left side, I'm going to keep the clip on the top instead of the bottom, just because I'm using my right hand. All right, so same thing. And wrap away from my face. And clip a little bit using my pointer finger, wrap up some more. I personally just like working in sections. It just works better for me. I'm gonna unwind a little bit and then do the same thing. Unwind, unwind, and then drag down. Do that again. All right, unwind, unwind, and pull down. As you can see, when I'm unwinding, I'm giving the curling iron a little twist. All right, so like I said, I'm only working in 2 sections just because my curling iron is bigger. If I had a 1 inch, I'd probably do 3 sections. So with this, I'm gonna take slightly bigger sections just because we have a lot more hair to work with. And you can also go in 2 different directions. You can alternate your directions if you'd like. I'm just gonna keep them all going away from my face. My hair. Now that I'm done, I'm gonna let the curls really set and cool off because they're pretty warm on each side, so I wanna make sure they're nice and cooled before I go in and brush them out. I wanna show you guys how the curls look like when you just use your hands to brush out your curls. No texture spray, no hairspray. I just love the effect that technique gives to the hair. It's like, what did you use? Is that a curling iron, flat iron? What is that? And that completes the look. I really want to do more of these types of videos where I showcase a certain tool and show you different techniques that you can do with that tool. Really simple, beginner friendly, more moderate, more experience, and then a little bit more of like an expertise level. I want to call these videos Beyond the Basics series because a lot of you ask if there is more than one thing you can do with a certain tool, and I think it'll be very valuable. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in another one. Bye.